Would you want to know 3 simple, easy ways to get your house to sell faster and for more money? Well, if that's what you're interested in, stick around. We're going to talk about that next. Hey friends, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty and Adrian Barnhart, who is an agent on our team. And today we're going to talk about 3 things you can do to help your house sell quicker for more money, and they don't even cost that much money. So Adrian, let's talk about item number 1. What is the number 1 thing you can do to help your house sell more quickly?
Yeah, I'd say first and foremost is the first impression, right? We hear curb appeal all the time.
Yep.
So absolutely should be priority number 1. And there's some simple things that you can do. Regardless of the time of the year, you've got your lawn, right? Make sure that it's clean. It doesn't necessarily have to be, green.
Mow the grass.
Clean, right, mow the grass. If you've got flower beds in the front of your house, make sure that those are kind of cleared out. And, if you need to replace a few potted plants here and there, definitely a good thing.
Yeah, actually, I always tell our clients, if you can bring a pop of color to the front of the house
Sure.
at any time of year, even if you use the pansies that are basically good almost all time of the year, just to add a little bit, it makes people feel really much more comfortable, and it gives a better first impression for the house.
Absolutely.
So if we're thinking about the second thing that we could do that's inexpensive and easy to do, what would be the next thing you'd think you'd tell people to do?
Well, once the buyers walk into the house, first thing they're going to obviously experience or feel is the cleanliness of it.
So clean up your stuff.
Yeah, declutter, get things off the countertops, take off, maybe personal photographs of the family on the walls. Just the less is more concept is going to go a long way, and it doesn't cost you anything. Yeah,
decluttering is definitely less expensive, and frankly, you're going to have to do that before you move anyways.
For sure.
You might as well get it out of the house, or at least out of the way and packed up, so that people can actually see your house.
Right.
So that's a great second tip. Now, if we're thinking about the last and the final third tip that would be inexpensive and also add value and make your house sell quicker for more money, what would that be?
Third thing I would say is just consider, touch up paint here and there, especially if you've got rooms that are hot pink. Doesn't necessarily jive with the masses. So consider, painting rooms, neutralizing some of the colors, touch-ups here and there. Doors, if they've got finger smudges on them, again, make sure those are clean, or just a quick touch-up of paint. Just kind of a light, bright, airy feel, but again, less is more. Yeah,
that kind of actually goes with the curb appeal, painting the front door. That's
Absolutely.
A huge thing.
Yep.
And then just a fresh coat of paint makes things look so much nicer and cleaner. That's all we have for today. My name again is Ryan Reynolds with Keller Williams Consultants Realty, and this is Adrian Barnhart on our team. And as always, it's the Ryan Reynolds team guiding you to a home that fits your life.